Good morning. Today is Tuesday, February 24th, 2026. I am here at the Venetian Condos, and this is a before waterline video of bad fish. Alright, we're going to go ahead and clean it up, get the water line looking good, do an after video of the whole clean, and then an after video of the water line as well.